Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. I'm Julia. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make a delicious hummus. It's kind of like a basic recipe, but I don't use tahini in my recipe. But you can easily do that. This here is kind of like a basic recipe where you can add the spices, tahini, or maybe a bit of peanut butter if you want that, into your own hummus so it tastes like you want it to taste like. But it is a super delicious, easy, basic recipe that tastes amazing. And I serve with some baked vegetables and some bread on the side. It's yummy, so let's get started. First up, I want to prepare my vegetables. I have turned my oven to 180 degrees C convection oven or 350 degrees Fahrenheit convection. On a baking sheet, I have some bell pepper and some onion. The bell peppers I cut into some strips and the onions I've cut in quarters. Adding on some oil and some salt. And in a baking tin, I'm going to add in some cherry tomatoes, some oil, salt. And both of these things need to be baked on the same time because they both need 25 minutes. While the vegetables are baking in the oven for 25 minutes, I'm going to make my easy hummus. In a food processor, I have some chickpeas. They are from a can, just rinse them well. Then in with some garlic, lemon juice, oil, salt, cumin, it's all about blending this well until you have a delicious hummus. This hummus is now ready to be served with the baked vegetables, some olive oil on top, and some bread on the side. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe on my homemade hummus, and if you want to give it a go, ingredients are down below as always. Don't forget to subscribe here so you don't miss out on any videos in the future. Bye!